Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hopefully you are doing absolutely amazing. And in this tutorial we are going to learn about second way to take users input in Java. So we are going to learn about buffered readers. So as you can see on the buffered reader, there is only 2 points are there. First is buffer reader is a predefined class which is used to take user input in Java, and it is defined inside the Java IO package. So let's go to the coding area and look how it works. So let's begin with the coding area, and here what we need to do is first of all let's import some files. So let's import java.io. Okay, sorry, buffer reader. Again import java dot. Okay, yes, sorry, my bad. Dot buffer reader, and now this time we are going to take input stream reader. So now what we are going to do is let's create buffer reader as equals to let's place as a reader, and again new buffer reader. So this is what something we want from the buffer reader, and after that what we are going to write is new input stream reader system.in. So something is ready for us also. Not now. Let's give a name as we want input from the user and we want name. That is why we are going to write a string as a name. After that, try. We are going to use this try because of handling the exceptions, and in future we are also going to learn about this in deep also. So let's write print.n, and here enter your name. So anyone will input their name here. Any user will input their name here. Now let's input the name dot reader dot read line, and after that let's the system dot out dot println, and here your name, let's put hello plus name, hello, and like as we will mention krishush, so it will give an output as krishush, hello krishush. So now up to the mark, what we are going to do is everything is ready. So let's close as the catch, try and catch method as exception e, and okay, so everything is fine, and the code will run. So we have used these things, and yeah, there is no any error also. So let's run it, and let's see what will be the output. Let's put here krishush. Hello krishush. So this is providing us an output. So let's write here please, and let's run it again. Enter your name. My name is krishush, but it will tell us hello please. No, sorry, please krishush. No, we don't want that. We want that subscribe, like, and comment and share from you. So it is showing that please subscribe, like, comment, and share. So please do that ASAP. Hopefully guys you have enjoyed this video, and if you really have, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe it. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section, and you can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.